Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can see your battery health in your laptop. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you are using a MacBook, then you can simply see your battery level on your device as well. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap on the battery icon. So as you can see, this is the battery icon. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on battery settings. Once you tap on battery settings, you will end up in this kind of interface. Here, you can find an option called battery health. Simply tap on the eye icon and now you can see that the maximum capacity, that means the measure of battery capacity relative when it is new, is 87. This battery health indicates that now, rather than 100%, my laptop's battery capacity is 87% only. So the more fewer the battery health is, the less uses of battery charging it will do. So this is how you can simply check your battery health in your laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.